The 2024 presidential election is right around the corner. A potential return to the White House by former President Donald Trump is leading investors to speculate on which industry groups might stand to benefit or face headwinds if that happens. From medical stocks to the chip industry, here's how 4 key sectors are reacting to the increased odds of a Trump presidency. U.S. healthcare stocks are rising on expectations that a Trump presidency will take a friendlier approach to the health insurance industry. Analysts at RBC Capital say United Healthcare is likely to see a clearer path to vertical integration, and stocks connected to the more privatized industry around Medicare Advantage could see a boost, while other industry mergers could move forward. Investors also placing bets on the possible winners and losers in the energy sector. Oil and gas stocks have been on the rise while coal stocks are in focus, signaling expectations of support from a potential Trump administration. This comes after a late June Supreme Court ruling curtailed the power of the administrative state, including the Environmental Protection Agency. Meanwhile, solar stocks and other renewables are taking a hit as a Trump presidency likely means a de-emphasis on green energy. Big tech stocks have been pummeled by sector rotation, and now they're bracing for the possibility of government scrutiny. Trump's vice presidential pick, Ohio Senator J.D. Vance, has signaled support of antitrust enforcement aimed at big tech companies like Meta. TikTok, meanwhile, could avoid a potential U.S. ban, with Trump signaling in an interview that he supports keeping the China-owned social media platform accessible to American consumers. Elsewhere, semiconductor stocks are sliding on headlines from both political parties. The Biden administration reportedly considering severe trade restrictions on advanced chip technology exports to China. Meanwhile, Trump says Taiwan should pay the U.S. for protection, saying the island took, quote, about 100% of our chip business. Taiwan, of course, is critical to the world supply of microchips, ranging from complex AI-ready chipsets to simple automobile switches. China claims the democratic self-governed island as part of its territory and has threatened the use of force to reclaim it. While the news is weighing on major chip industry players like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, Nvidia, and Micron Technology, chip companies with a U.S. manufacturing presence like Intel and GlobalFoundries are getting a boost. But the moves in markets aren't entirely caused by the shifting political tides. What is certain are market rotations. Investors are moving away from mega-cap tech stocks, pumping money into small caps and other industry groups that were mostly out of favor as the Magnificent Seven dominated the first half of 2024. This shift comes as key inflation indicators fuel hopes for a rate cut in September, spurring action into stocks expected to benefit from lower interest rates. And with the election still months away, some of the market reaction remains speculative. For Investors Business Daily, this is Mike Zhuang.